Okay, here comes the train, and we're off to work again. We are in Bangkok, just outside of Hualamphong railroad station, probably about 1K. This is a slum, low-end section of Bangkok, as all railroad train tracks are. Now, if you keep your eye to the lower right-hand portion of the screen, right along those railroad cars, there you go, you see him right there. Watch that little guy. He's uncoupling the train. He's running in between the moving train. Okay, he's out of frame right now. We'll see if we can move this heavy camera over and get down there and take a look and see what he's up to. Okay, yep, he uncoupled the cars. He's watching the thing roll back into the tracks, into the train yard. Now, we really couldn't show you how he did that because then all the little kids would know and they'd run around uncoupling train cars all over the world. So, what do you think of that Aussie-style safari hat that train workers wear, huh? Kind of fashionable, huh? Okay, keep out of the way. He's going to back it back in.